Unboxing time!
Yeah.
Before we start the video, just ignore my crusty ass nail that fell off. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video, I'm doing an unboxing. You guys have no idea how long I've been wanting to open these packages. They have been sitting in my closet so that I don't have to stare at them because the urge to open them is unreal. But it's finally time. But before I get into this video, I do want to say that this is a brand deal and this was gifted to me by Level8, which is basically just a luxury brand of suitcases or luggage. If you want to get this luggage, there's a link down below if you want to check it out, and it is an affiliate link, just so you're aware, which basically means that I just earn commission off of the purchases made off of that link. Okay, without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So if you haven't seen my other video, I did an unboxing a 𝍊𝋼𝍊 luggage. If you want to check it out, I will leave it in the description down below. But that was not a gifted product. I actually bought that for myself, and because of that video, this lovely brand reached out to me and wanted to work with me, and I just want to say thank you, Level8, for working with me. I appreciate it. I love you guys, and honestly, I hope to work with you again in the future. And yeah, so I know a lot of you guys are here to see the luggage, so I'm gonna unbox that first just because that's why most of you are here, right? Basically, this is just the organizers that already come with the luggage. They were basically out of stock when it was ordered, so they said that they would send me the organizers as soon as it was in stock, so that's why it's in a separate package. So, initial look of the box looks like this. You can see their lovely little symbol. I've got my sisters here, and we're going to bust her out and check her out. So I'm really excited. This is their new carry-on luggage 20-inch glitter in pink. Oh my gosh. This seems really dangerous. Blades away. I want to stab myself. Should I try cutting it? I decided to go with pink because it would match my other luggage I already have, which I will insert a picture of what it looks like. Top part comes out like this. So it's kind of hard to do it like on my lap and to keep it in frame, so bear with me. But this is what it looks like, and then okay. Oh wow, okay. Oh my gosh. So, initial thoughts. So it comes with a cover, and it looks like I could wash it too, so that's a plus. So for size reference, here's my head, and here is the luggage. Alright, we got this at the top, and now we're gonna take it out. I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so initially I'm looking at it. It's super cute. I love it. It's not even like a really bright pink, which I was like worried it was gonna be. It's definitely lighter than my other one, but it's gonna go so well with it. And I don't have a carry-on luggage, so this is my first one. So this is what it looks like. It has the TSA approved locks, and that's how you open it. Right away, I'm looking at it, and I am absolutely in love with it. The only thing I am a little confused about is why it's advertised as glitter, because I don't see any glitter. It's just pink, but I'm also not complaining because it's gorgeous. Please don't take that as complaining. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so cute, and I'm so grateful that I have this opportunity and that they sent this to me. I'm just curious is all. I'm already getting my prints all over it. This is what the bottom looks like. These are the wheels. Very cute. So I'm going to take, I'm honestly so excited to use this. That's honestly bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, the instruction manual. Okay, so the product name, it is a Level8 glitter 20-inch spinner luggage. Net weight is 3.35 kilograms or 7.39 pounds. Gross weight is 10.36 pounds. Dimensions is 37 by 22 by 54.5 centimeters. 14.57 by 8.66 by 21.46 inch. Material PC exterior plus polyester interior, and packing capacity is 38 liters. Wow. Durable low noise wheels, TSA lock, dual handles, limited lifetime warranty, telescopic, did I say that right? Telescopic handle. Basically this. Wow, it goes up higher than I thought it it's going to go. So basically, when you're looking at it like this, you have the locks and everything. All you have to do is slide this over and they pop off like that. And that's how you unlock it. Let's open her up, shall we? All right, here we go. Wow, that is so cute. So you have two sections to organize, and it looks like it's breathable too with the netting. They have lots of zipper compartments, so you can organize stuff up here, and then there's further organization underneath. So let's get into this, shall we? Oh, okay. So I think that this might be the cover. First of all, we have this bag. You can kind of see the symbol, but let's get into it to see what is this. Oh wow, okay. Now that I think about it, I think this is the cover that it came with. So that little cotton one we saw earlier actually wasn't the actual cover. This is the cover. And then this part goes underneath and velcros. That is amazing. Honestly, this is really good quality for a cover. Just comparing my notes to previous experiences, I love that. Just like last time, I'm gonna show you how deep it is using my water bottle. This is a representation of how deep it goes. I'm not really sure if you can see it on camera, but if it'll focus, you could see the little designs inside. I love how they added that extra detail. We have the bottom compartment, which I already opened, and then now we have this top compartment with two zipper pocket sides, and I honestly love this. This is genius. So you can put like underwear or socks or whatever you want on the top for easy access, and then even better, open this up and you've got more storage space in here. And this is just a carry-on. Like, I honestly, if I was going somewhere for a week, I feel like instead of checking a huge luggage, like I could honestly put everything in here and it would fit. It has a lot of room for a carry-on. Like, I'm honestly very impressed. Like, wow. I cannot wait to use it. I really love how it's a hard shell, so it's very durable. It's not something that's going to get broken. The front looks so classy and like chic. Basically just push those in and you're good to go. Honestly, I'm sorry if the tapestry was out of focus or like out of frame the whole time, but I already opened the luggage, so I'm definitely not gonna re-record this. But let's move on to opening the organizers. Oh my gosh, here it is. I'm so excited for this. Where are my scissors? They're sitting right here with me. So the shipping on this was really, really fast, which I was impressed with. I'm really sorry if I am giving any of you guys anxiety by cutting these open with scissors. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. That's what nails are for, right? First impression, it has very, very good quality fabric. It's got their little logo on it. These are supposed to be the packing cubes, I think, or organizers for your suitcase. So if you want to like put your clothes in here to make them more compact, you would place them in here. Wow, I've literally been looking for a tech bag and it literally came with one. How cute is that? It has its own little symbol. So there's a little tech one, there's a little makeup slash products one. I'm not really sure what that symbol is supposed to mean, but another organizer. Oh my gosh. Also came with a little package of more of those little organizers, so it looks like you can take them off. Wow. Innovation that excites. Like, what? That is really smart on their part for doing that, to make it interchangeable so that it's meant for everyone. One for clothes, for shoes, and lastly, this little product one. I cannot believe how cute that suitcase is and how good those organizers are. I'm definitely going to be using them. I'm going to be traveling soon, so keep your eyes open for that. But that is all I have for you guys today. If you did enjoy this video and you want to help my channel out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Click that red button down below and join the family if you want to. My socials are always in the description down below, so if you want to check those out. Also, if you want to help me any further with things like better equipment or saving up for a house or an apartment or just anything like that, check out my Patreon. It's down in the description down below. If you want to donate anything, everything is appreciated. Since we're also talking about Patreon, I want to give a shout out to my Patreons, Kyle and Napa. Thank you for being a Patreon and supporting me. I love you and I really appreciate your donations. They mean the world to me and it really does help to impact my life and my channel and everything. So thank you, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!